fuck just happened there?
Motion detected for the vehicle ahead.
Metal frame, yeah. So it must be. What the fuck? You can't! Oi, it's a no right turn! You fucking idiot! Oi! It's a no right turn! Oh fuck!
Showing up at the moment, as well as the excessive winds that have potential to capture.
You fucking dumb cunt!
Oh fuck! Fucking moron! What are you fucking doing?
Oh, you fuckhead. Fuck me, cunt.
Don't do it. Fucking stupid!
It's all covered in lights, presents in the back, but he got his license in a week, Vic's back. Santa Claus has got a new truck. Called him at home, but he's never
else, and that he should have known that human beings, according to the Bible anyway, human beings are selfish to the core, they misunderstand so much, they're stubborn, that he should take things in his own hands if that's who we are.
Holy fuck!
If he truly wants
1752.
So, yeah, I agree. I think the whole industry of apologists is like that. I think the reason why it's a cottage industry right now, where programs are starting up all over the place, in seminaries, is simply because they feel under attack, and websites and Facebook pages. I think everybody wants to be
Hey!
Oh, gee. So, yes, the stolen car. Fuck.
George's Canaries, 2 to 3 lanes, block delays back over the M5 and Camden Valley Way, Denoncourt Road into Leppington. Traffic remains slow. Get a discount off your total energy bill, guaranteed, with Energy Australia's Total Plan. Conditions apply. Basic plan information documents are available at Energy Australia.
fucking serious?
Like, you know how in the old days women didn't really go to...
That was
Nice.
That was nice.
I like that.
For a front wheel drive, yeah. I can't even do that.
I probably
The
could.
guy's a fuck me, but fuck it. He done a good job of being a
Yeah.
fuck me.
Oh, Terry. Terry, don't leave it.
What the fuck?
Can you give me a bit of room on the left? My tires aren't the best.
Yeah, don't skid out, you know.
Makes sense. Oh fuck.
Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Oh.
Oh my god!
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, now I know 2 hours ago.
Whoa!
Goes to make Crash in the studio. Do you know the movie Rookie of the Year? Now I know why.
Fucking kidding me?
$20 a week. The de facto rate for many because people is in fact lower.
Oh, got it on dash cam!
Which is imposed on.
Hey, Lisa! Check out my new computer!
Dad, you shouldn't drag that around!
Is she fucking serious? Wow. What the fuck, mate?
She's a fucking hazard.
The nation is on the brink of fiscal crisis. Republican House members have essentially said that the only way they'll vote to prevent America's first ever default is if the rest of us agree to their deep spending cuts only approach.
The sad truth is that the president wanted a blank check 6 months ago. He wants a blank check today.
We've never seen it this dysfunctional, and I ask people on all sides, how is this going to end? Nobody knows.
I should also point out that it's not just politicians and pundits who worry about the government
What the
spending
hell?
and borrowing too much. It's something I heard a lot when I
Jesus
did a
Christ.
in Michigan.
The fact that I've got Desert Eagle, 0.58.
We gotta stop here, little man.
They went go-karting and he's about to run a red light. Hey!
Ah! Him!
Oh shit, go, 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 go!
Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot.